Good day, everyone. I am Justepin Clark Ramayla, and I am the one of the reporter about the leadership. And today, I am going to discuss about the leadership law number 9, the law of magnetism. So, from the word magnetism or the magnet, nasa isipan nyo na yung pagkadikit-dikit or pagkakaisa sa isang organization. Today, nandito ako para tatalakayin at i-discuss ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang law of magnetism. The law of magnetism. Who you are is who you attract. As a leader, it is not easy, but I know that as a leader, be yourself, be who you are. Dapat maging attraction tayo sa lahat. Dapat gagawa tayo ng mga tama at ikakabubuti ng lahat. At dapat gagawa tayo na maka-benefits po ang tanan or ang kadaghanan. Because as a leader, we need to be ourselves, be who I am or be who you are. And dapat gagawa tayo ng signature para sa ikakatatak or para sa ikakatatak ng ating pangalan or maging isang attraction tayo or maging isang maging isang good role model para sa lahat as a leader. In the most situation, you draw people to you who possess in the same qualities you do. Who you are is who you attract. Effective leaders are always on the lookout for a good people, and I think each of us are curious around of the mental list of what kind of people we would like to have in our organization or what kind of leader we would like to have in our organization. Think about it. Do you know who you're looking for right now? Think of what the qualities you'd like to see in the people on your team. Now, what will determine whether the people you want are the people you get with, whether they will possess the qualities that you desire? Believe it or not, who you get is not determined by who you want. It is determined by who you are. For example, if you're told you would like a great leaders and you are an excellent leader, these are the people that you will likely get. If you want the people who are entrepreneurial and who you possess that quality, you will probably attract people with that quality. In the most situation, you draw people to you who possess in the same qualities that you do. And that's it, the law of magnetism. Who you are is who you attract. The reason was the law of magnetism. Our organization became a magnet for people within leadership ability. Of course, it is possible for a leader to go out and recruit people unlike himself. Good leaders know that one secret to success is to stop their weaknesses, the way they can focus and function in their areas of strength, while others take care of the other important matters. But it's crucial to recognize that people who are different will not naturally become attractive to you. Leaders draw people who are likely themselves. Maybe you've started thinking about people that you have attracted in your organization. You might say to yourself, the better leader you are, the better leaders you will attract. And that has an incredible impact on everything you do. Let me ask a question. How do the people you are currently attracting to your organization or department look to you? Are they strong, capable, potential leaders you desire? Or could they be better? Remember, their quality does not ultimately depend on hiring process, a human resources department, or even what considered to be quality of your areas. Applicant pool. It depends on who you are is who you attract, and that is the law of magnetism.
Who you are is who you attract. If you want to attract better people, become the kind of person you desire to attract. Another example, when you struck a piece of iron along a magnet, the north-seeking poles of the atom are arranged themselves in the same direction. The law of magnetism, also known as the law of magnetic poles, state that like magnetic poles repel each other and unlike magnetic poles attract each other.